Hello everyone, welcome to Best Product. In today's video, I will show you the best TP-Link AX6600 Gaming Wi-Fi 6 router. So stay with us for product details. Let's get started. Product features. Game band tri-band structure. The AX6600 offers a unique tri-band structure with one band exclusively dedicated to gaming. The 4.8 GBps game band provides ultra-fast speeds to ensure minimal interruptions and smoother gameplay. With three bands totaling 6,600 MPs, users can enjoy fast, uninterrupted connections across multiple devices without performance loss. Game Accelerator. The router's built-in Game Accelerator feature automatically detects and prioritizes gaming traffic. This optimization reduces latency and lag, delivering a responsive, immersive experience tailored for gaming, whether online or local. Expansive coverage. 8 high-performance, detachable antennas equipped with beamforming, high-power FEM, and 4 T4R technology ensure broad coverage for large homes, even up to a 4-bedroom house. This makes it a fantastic choice for large households needing strong, consistent Wi-Fi throughout. More devices with less lag. Using OFDMA and MU-MIMO technology, the AX6600 efficiently distributes data to multiple devices simultaneously. This allows smoother connectivity for several devices, whether they're used for gaming, streaming, or general browsing, significantly reducing lag and maintaining fast speeds. Powerful processing. The router's 1.5 GHz quad-core CPU efficiently handles high-bandwidth activities, ensuring that the router operates smoothly even when handling complex tasks like simultaneous gaming and streaming. TP-Link Home Shield Security. TP-Link's Home Shield feature adds a layer of network protection. With real-time threat protection, parental controls, and queues for device prioritization, it provides security and customization, allowing users to safeguard their network and adjust usage priorities. Pros. Dedicated game band for seamless gameplay. The tri-band structure, with a dedicated game band, ensures that gaming connections are uninterrupted by other household devices. Gamers enjoy high speeds and stable connections with minimal interference. Enhanced gaming experience with Game Accelerator. The Game Accelerator feature prioritizes gaming traffic automatically, optimizing performance and enhancing responsiveness for immersive gaming without lag. Extended coverage for large homes. With 8 antennas, beamforming, and 4 T4R technology, the AX6600 offers wide, consistent coverage. This is ideal for gamers in large homes who want stable connections across various rooms. Smooth connectivity for multiple devices. Thanks to OFDMA and MU-MIMO, the router can handle multiple devices at once, ensuring lag-free streaming, gaming, and browsing on several devices simultaneously. Reliable performance with quad-core processing. The powerful 1.5 GHz quad-core CPU ensures that the router delivers high performance, even when handling several demanding tasks at once. This processing power allows for smooth multitasking and uninterrupted gaming. Robust security with TP-Link Home Shield. With Home Shield, users can enjoy network security that protects against potential threats, enables parental controls, and prioritizes devices for optimal performance. Flexibility with on-a-mesh compatibility. The ability to expand coverage through on-a-mesh offers flexibility for those needing a stable connection throughout the home. It ensures a cohesive network without dead zones. Cons. Complex setup for novices. Configuring advanced features such as game acceleration and home shield security can be complex. Users unfamiliar with networking might find the setup challenging, particularly if they are new to managing router settings. The TP-Link AX6600 Gaming Wi-Fi 6 router is a fantastic choice for high-speed connectivity and a reliable gaming experience, despite its complex setup for beginners unfamiliar with advanced networking. It provides smooth, lag-free performance, making it ideal for gamers and households with multiple devices. For the latest price and more details, check the link in the description and don't forget to subscribe to Best Product for more tech reviews and updates.